Hi guys, we're going to look at surds today. Surds are irrational numbers. For example, a square root of a number that's not a perfect square, or the cube root of a number that's not a cubic number. Let's look at some examples. 12 to the power of a half is equal to the square root of 12. We're going to need our prime numbers so that we can write 12 as the product of prime factors. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Now we're going to group the numbers in pairs of 2. For each pair, you take out one of those numbers. The 3 is not part of a pair, so that remains inside the square root. Example 2. 3 square root 2 times 2 square root of 8. We're going to group the numbers inside square roots together, and we're going to group the integers in front of them together. 3 times 2 is 6. Inside the square root we have 2 times the prime factors of 8. Once again, we're going to group the numbers in pairs of 2, and for each pair you take out one of those numbers. And that's how you get the answer of 24. We are now going to do some questions where you are going to provide some of the answers. Square root of 18. Once again, you need to remember your first few prime numbers so that you can write 18 as the product of prime factors. You now have to fill in what number should go where the red triangle is, and what number should go where the green square is. Let's look at question 2. 2 square root of 6 times 5 square root of 4. Once again, we're going to group the numbers under square roots together and group the numbers in front of them together. 2 times 5 is 10. Prime factors of 6 is 2 times 3. Prime factors of 4, 2 times 2. Group numbers in pairs together again. So we'll have 10 times, and you have to fill in what number should go where the red triangle is, and what number should go where the green square is. We'll go through this in class again, so be ready to ask any questions you still have.